Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explain the technology of the microwave and to see if it's safe for you to use. Microwave ovens work by using microwave radiation to heat and cook food. Here is a detailed explanation of how microwave ovens work. The key component of a microwave oven is the magnetron. It is a vacuum tube that generates high-frequency electromagnetic waves called microwaves. The magnetron converts electrical energy into microwave radiation. The microwave oven is connected to a power source that supplies electricity. The electrical current flows through the circuitry of the microwave and powers the magnetron. The microwaves produced by the magnetron are channeled into the cooking cavity through a waveguide. A waveguide is a metal tube that guides the microwaves from the magnetron to the cooking chamber. The cooking cavity is the main interior space of the microwave oven where the food is placed for cooking. It is made of a conductive material such as metal to reflect the microwaves and prevent them from escaping. When the microwaves enter the cooking cavity, they bounce off the reflective metal walls and are distributed throughout the space. The food placed in the cavity absorbs the microwaves, particularly the water molecules in the food. When the microwaves are absorbed by the water molecules in the food, it causes them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration creates molecular friction, generating heat within the food. The heat is produced directly in the food rather than through a conventional heating element, allowing for fast and even cooking. To ensure even cooking, many microwave ovens have a rotating turntable inside the cooking cavity. The turntable rotates the food, allowing the microwaves to reach all areas of the food evenly. Some models also have a stirrer, which helps distribute the microwaves more evenly throughout the cavity. The control panel on the microwave oven allows you to set the cooking time and power level. It also includes other features such as defrost, preset cooking programs, and adjustable power settings. Microwave ovens are equipped with safety features to ensure their safe operation. These may include a door with a safety interlock switch that prevents the microwave from operating when the door is open. Additionally, the microwave's design should prevent radiation leakage, and regular maintenance and inspection can help ensure its proper functioning. How safe is your microwave? Microwave ovens are generally safe to use when used according to the manufacturer's instructions. However, there are some potential health concerns to consider. Here they are. 1. Thermal burns. Microwave ovens can heat food and liquids rapidly, often leading to extremely hot temperatures. Care must be taken when removing food from the microwave to avoid burns. It's important to use oven mitts or heat-resistant gloves and handle heated containers with caution. 2. Leakage. Microwaves should be properly sealed to prevent leakage of microwave radiation. Manufacturers are required to design and test microwaves to ensure they meet safety standards. If a microwave is damaged or has a faulty seal, it may potentially leak radiation. Regular maintenance and inspection can help ensure the microwave is functioning properly. 3. Food safety. It's important to follow food safety guidelines when using a microwave to ensure that food is cooked thoroughly and at safe temperatures. Uneven heating can occur in microwave cooking, so it's crucial to stir or rotate food during cooking to promote even heating and avoid potential foodborne illnesses. 4. Chemical changes. Microwaving food can cause chemical changes in certain types of containers or packaging materials. It's essential to use microwave-safe containers and avoid using materials like aluminum foil or metal in the microwave. Plastic containers should be labeled as microwave safe and should not release harmful chemicals when heated. In summary, microwave ovens are convenient and efficient appliances for cooking and heating food. When used properly and following safety guidelines, they are generally safe to use. However, it's important to handle hot containers carefully, ensure proper sealing to prevent radiation leakage, and follow food safety guidelines for thorough cooking. Thanks for watching and catch you on the next.